Ever wondered how to grow plants at home? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we delve into the art and science of indoor gardening, providing tips and tricks to help you cultivate a thriving indoor garden. The first step in this green journey is choosing the right plants for your space. The secret lies in understanding the specific needs of each plant, including their preferred lighting conditions, temperature, and humidity levels. Remember, a well-researched choice is often a successful one. Watering is the next crucial step. It's essential to remember that overwatering is a common pitfall. Instead, aim to underwater, checking the soil's moisture levels before each watering session. And always use water at room temperature. Observing and understanding your plant's individual needs is key to their survival. Soil selection is another significant aspect of indoor gardening. A well-draining potting mix tailored to the type of plants you're nurturing is vital for their growth. And when it's time for a change, don't hesitate to repot your plants into larger homes. Pruning, although often overlooked, is an essential part of plant care. Regularly removing dead or yellowing leaves and leggy growth not only keeps your plants looking their best, but also encourages new growth. Think of it as giving your plants a little makeover. Last but not least, feeding your plants is an important aspect of their care. While the soil provides essential nutrients, a little bit of fertilizer can give your plants an extra boost. However, remember to follow the instructions on the label and avoid over-fertilizing, which can cause more harm than good. In summary, successful indoor gardening is a combination of choosing the right plants, providing adequate water, selecting the correct soil, regular pruning, and appropriate feeding. Remember, it's a journey of learning, patience, and ultimately growth. So roll up your sleeves and get ready to green up your space. Happy gardening!